In the introductory module of our Smartsheet Guide series, which delves into critical path, baselines, various view types, and user interface features, we examined how to effectively schedule, manage, and track the project's progress. It's time to elevate the efforts by presenting the project's status to management and all key stakeholders, ensuring everyone is informed and engaged in our progress. Harness the full potential of Smartsheet dashboards to gain instant visibility, monitor critical metrics, and empower your decision-making. To design an impactful dashboard, having a solid data sheet is a must. In our case, let's import or create data for Smartsheet and pull out the data for the reports that will be displayed on the dashboard. In this scenario, we're embarking on an important task of importing the Excel sheet into our workspace. Let's set up our new project and label it. We will also import a comprehensive existing data file that outlines the current status of the work items alongside detailed budget information. It's crucial to select a primary column and make necessary adjustments, as we did in our previous tutorial, for optimal clarity. After the import is complete, it's vital to ensure that the parent and child items are distinctly organized in the sheet. Select the work items under the specific user stories and do the indentation. It's essential to verify that the columns containing budgets and calculation data have the appropriate column properties. We should also implement relevant formulas or calculations to gain an accurate view of our total expenses. To evaluate the budget and actual expense of the work done so far, calculate the total expenses by summing up the costs of all its descendants. Once you have the numbers for both the columns, calculate the difference. To effectively present our data to the stakeholders, we'll create a report that focuses on the current status of all the work items. Start by navigating to the report section as shown and name it. Once the report is open, select the Smartsheet from your workspace and click on Next. Choose the relevant columns that you want to display on the screen and then click Next again. For the filter criteria, select Status and click Apply. This will allow us to showcase the report based on the current count of the work items based on their status. Next, select Group By and choose Status, then click OK. To provide a clearer summary, use the Summary feature, select Status once more, and summarize the data with their respective counts. Your report is now prepared and ready for stakeholders to make informed decisions based on the current status. Now, once you're in the workspace, simply right-click, select Create, and then navigate to the Dashboard Portal option in the submenu. Assign a clear and descriptive name to your dashboard for easy reference, particularly when you have multiple dashboards to manage. After naming it, click OK to continue. Open newly created dashboard file. On the dashboard screen, click on the Get Started button. By default, Add Widget section on the right-hand side of the screen is visible with the widgets list. Dashboards are made up of widgets, each designed to present vital data and information effectively for your team and stakeholders. The first and foremost thing to be added to the dashboard is the title. Once the title widget is added, you have full control over its formatting to make it stand out on the dashboard. Now you can set the dashboard theme, set the background color of the canvas, as well as the widget background color. It is going to add charm to your data. Do you want to showcase the current project status? Adding a chart widget is the perfect choice. With just a few clicks, you can bring your data to life on the dashboard for impactful visualization. Select Chart. Click on Add Data. Select your report. Based on the report structure, it pulls the data on the dashboard. Under Data and Chart Type, can select different chart types from the list. Moving on to the widget itself, one can change the title text as needed. It's worth noting that the data in the dashboard is live, which means any changes in the original sheet will be accurately reflected in the graph. For pie charts and Series 1 can enable the display as a semicircle and also select different value labels as per the requirement. Additionally, a widget behavior area allows to specify the action taken when someone clicks on the widget. I could set it to open the data source, a Smartsheet item, or another website. Moreover, one can easily reposition the widget by clicking outside of it and dragging it around the canvas. One also has the flexibility to resize it and perform other actions. One can also set the legend position under the legend section. The metric widget will display essential performance indicators and key numbers. To use it, you can select a specific sheet and choose the fields you'd like to appear on the dashboard. Alternatively, you can select a row and pull the relevant data into the metric widget. Then remove any unwanted data from the display. Data can be presented in two effective formats, stacked or side by side. Next is the shortcut widget. The shortcut widget is a game changer, swiftly providing access to frequently used resources. With a simple click on Add Shortcut, one can seamlessly attach a document, website link, or a Smartsheet item. One can effortlessly add a hyperlink to the Smartsheet website and customize the display text. The exceptional feature of this widget is its flexibility to add multiple shortcuts. Select Rich Text Widget. Enter the required information that you want to display. Use the formatting tools available to customize the text, such as changing the font type, size, or color. This will allow you to present your content in a visually appealing way. Next is the Image widget. Under Image Widget section, click on Select Image button. It can be related to the company logo or may be related to your project. Once the image is added, align the image with other elements on the canvas. Next, we have the Report widget. It effectively pulls data and displays it directly on the dashboard, making vital information easily accessible. Use the formatting tools available to customize the text, such as changing the font type, size, or color. In addition to the project's current status, management consistently scrutinizes the project budget to determine if costs are under control. To address these concerns, we can use the Chart widget to clearly compare actual versus budgeted expenses. Select a file to extract the essential budget-related data you need. By choosing specific columns in the Columns Included section, you can tailor your focus precisely. Once your chart is set up, boost its impact by adding various formatting properties to make it visually engaging and informative. You have the flexibility to reposition the widgets to perfectly suit your needs. You have the power to customize all the widgets on the canvas to align perfectly with your vision. To elevate the overall aesthetic, consider selecting a more appealing dashboard theme and refreshing both the canvas and widget background colors. Choosing dynamic chart types and incorporating engaging formatting properties will make your charts visually striking. Don't overlook the opportunity to enhance your reporting charts as well. Moreover, Updating images to resonate with your project's current progress can create a more cohesive look. After making these vital adjustments, save your project and confidently share it with your team members for collaboration. We have all the information ready on our dashboard. It's time to send it to the management or all the concerned parties or stakeholders to review the status of the project. In the following sections, we will explore powerful features such as forms, conditional formatting, formulas, sharing, and more. Remember to like and subscribe. For details on the previous modules, please refer to the description link.